Let's go ahead and fix WhatsApp connecting problem on your iPhone. Welcome everyone. If there is a problem with your WhatsApp app and it is not working properly, let's solve the problem. If when you open the WhatsApp app, instead of connecting to the app, a waiting for connection warning appears and your messages are not being refreshed, most likely your problem is related to the network connection. In such a case, you should first check your Wi-Fi connection. If there is another network you can connect to, you can try to connect to it, or you can connect to the mobile network. If your problem is related to network connection, this will solve the problem. If your problem is still not solved, make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp from the App Store because the older version can often cause in-app connection problems. If the connection problem still persists, go to iPhone settings in the third step. Then tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. In this case, tap on Reset your iPhone settings, then tap Reset Network Settings and continue to reset the connection settings. This will reset everything related to your network connection, and most likely your problem will be solved. If you are still having connection or network problems, finally go to the option to offload the app. To do this, go to General Settings again, then click on the iPhone Store and find WhatsApp in the applications and open it. Then click on the Offload App option. This will reinstall the WhatsApp app on your phone and clean the bugs. At the end of all these steps, you should have solved all network problems. See you next time.